Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create bar chart in Microsoft Excel. So let's started. At first, you open your Excel document file. Firstly, then you show the Excel document is the salary service data from the convert from the correct bar chart. Now select from the data. Now going to the insert menu option. Now click on the bar chart option. Then it's a chart. Now click OK. Now click for the plus icon option and access titles, data labels, data table, error bars and deadline. Now for OK. Now bar chart is the sense from the color. Then NSOC style. That's okay. Then I show the carrot bar chart in Microsoft Excel. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.